Yo-yo are really easy. All you just is to do upside, up, down, then you'll be able to do this. 3, 2, 1.
In Chinese, in Japanese.
It's really annoying, but it's kind of cool. It also takes off your finger, but that's okay. It's okay. You can put it back on, then restart it. It's okay. Well, I'm gonna teach you a trick, which is rock the baby. So really easy. This is the yo-yo trick, okay? All you have is to like do the elevator. Then you get this one. Then you do that. Boom. Rock the baby. Rock the baby. All types of scenes.
Anong season yan, Dad?
I was been practicing a lot, and a lot. Like, look at this one.
Did you open this kanina?
Ang Netflix ba, meron din mga premium gano'n?
Oo, yan. Premium sa atin.
Kasi bakit hindi natin wala tayo nakukuha ang mga
Ano?
like yung sa Kingdom na mga bago, bago.
Dad, 549 yung ano natin, no?
Kasi
That
yung
did not
Kingdom
mess up my video.
Baka hindi mo lang mahanap.
Hindi eh. Inabangan ko pa yun eh. May live yun eh. Pero hindi
Hey, I'm
naman
just trying to get
nag-show.
mommy. A Brandon View, I watch him. Who teach me rock.
Hindi ko parang yung sa mga cable, may mga
Then
sila.
I've been rock
Kung magbabayad ka ng
practicing.
additional para
Then
sa
I
mga
actually did rock
Oo.
the baby.
para din sa mga i-access ka sa mga premium movies, parang
Parang wala namang ganun ng ano. O Dad, ay, bunso, kuya, try this. Here pa. You brush your teeth na, you're gonna eat na naman.
Ha! Dad.
yung mga
Of course, it's
dapat
movie
din
night.
may cable eh.
We have to eat it with movie
Ng mga
time.
NBA.
It's because you don't have school tomorrow, so yeah, of course, movie night. Picnic, my favorite. Tastes so good. Even with my glass. So you go to yoyoshop.com, buy yo-yo themes like the Into Ability yo-yo. So nice. You can get it from a Brandon View or Angel Duop. You can even get a square yo-yo, which is good. And rock the dog is so easy. I mean, not rock the dog. I don't mean rock the baby. I mean walk the dog. You don't need spinning it. You just have to make it stop spinning it. Then go. You can move it. Just move it right now. Baby now. that is Walk the Dog.
It's not. So, it's okay. What do you want?
Venom.
Huh?
Venom movie.
So, what do you want?
Venom.
Eh, no. Ito yung bago, katulad niyan. Bird Box, yung bago. Ayan.
Balik ko yan, Dad. Pero, ang kwento, Baba,
Subscribe to me, Smile Lucky Brother. It's really cool, and there's some video of me being a baby, which is really funny.
Kingdom, Dad.
But some are kawawa.
Kailangan din.
Some are sad.
Search ko pa.
You're gonna cry.
Baka wala pa.
May dumating dati eh.
Hindi mo na
I don't mean
Nabangan ko pa
watch
yung
it.
date. Hindi naman
I
yung
mean,
show.
Imposible hindi, Dad.
Date, ako sinabi ko.
I
sinasabi ko
mean,
nga sa'yo. Nabangan ko nga.
subscribe to get to 1 million subscribers. That one.
Yan, ito yung una.
Mm.
Diba?
I-click mo yan. Click
Tapos,
mo yan. O, check mo lahat ng episodes. Ay, ng seasons.
Oh,
Episodes and more. Okay. O, down mo hanggang pinaka-ano. Hanggang season 2. Ayan o.
ayun
so
nga.
buy this yo-yo.
So, ibig
It's
sabihin
really
wala pa. Ay,
cool.
mayroong 7 episodes. Ano
Look.
yan?
DNA, but not
Season 2 na
actually.
teaser.
I don't know how to do a DNA, but
Ito yung season
I
2
can
eh.
just do the tricks. I know how to do
Yun natin
some of
season
the
2
tricks.
teaser. Ayan, that's the, let's see. Yung
Teaser
una.
yun.
Diba 2 seasons yan?
Oh.
Kanina pa nag season 2 na.
Oo. Tapos na yung season 2 kasi doon na namatayan ng ano eh.
Ang Queen.
Queen. Tapos, may napanood ako isa na related dyan sa Kingdom.
Iba yung title. Ay,
Oo.
iba may
Yun
parang
yung
iba.
kanina. Saan ba yun?
What's
Wait, baba ko. Ito, yan.
see you in the next
Kingdom
video.
of-
Bye.